So now we're up to the step where we get to roll our gnudi out. So we want to start with a floured bench and we want to roll our gnudi mixture out into a long sausage. We want to get a tray and flour it. And now we want to roll our gnudi into tablespoon-sized balls.
Rollin', 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 roll high.
One tip for success with rolling your balls out is to start off without over-flouring your hands or the mixture and just keep rolling it until it gets a little bit sticky in your hand. Then once it starts to get sticky, that's when you want to roll it in the flour to finish the ball off.